Welcome to the International Myeloma Foundation Empower Project. My name is Dr. Joseph McHale, and I have the privilege of serving as the Chief Medical Officer of the IMF. We all know that multiple myeloma is an incurable blood cancer, and despite great advances over the last decade, we know that there are still tremendous challenges with this disease. One of the greatest challenges of multiple myeloma is the disparity in the African American community. But we know that it doesn't have to be this way. Multiple myeloma is twice as common in the Black community than it is in the Caucasian community. In fact, multiple myeloma is the most common blood cancer in African Americans. Sadly, we've seen that survival and outcomes in African American patients has not kept pace with the improving survival that we've seen in the Caucasian population. But we know that we can change this. We know that when African Americans have their diagnosis made in an accurate manner and an early manner, and we know when African Americans are given the right treatments for multiple myeloma, they can have as good, if not better, outcomes than Caucasians. The IMF has been committed to underserved populations with multiple myeloma and all patients with multiple myeloma worldwide. And now we are focusing our efforts here in the US, city by city, to improve the outcomes of patients, and in particular African American patients, to change the course of myeloma. How are we going to do this? We are going to travel city to city. And as we go from city to city, we are going to raise awareness about multiple myeloma and partner within the African American community to educate people about this disease, to provide them the tools to understand what multiple myeloma is, so that if they've never heard of it, they can understand it, so that if they might have it, they have the right resources to make the diagnosis and to be treated appropriately. And indeed, if they do have multiple myeloma, that they can receive the support that they absolutely need for this condition. Furthermore, we're going to be reaching out to the healthcare provider community, and we're going to be educating them about the importance of early and accurate diagnosis so that we can catch this disease early and treat it in the best way possible. So join us, partner with us as we work with so many to overcome this awful disease and indeed to change the course of multiple myeloma.